Today we're setting up an outdoor ceiling fan that's perfect for our gazebo. Now I can grill with a nice breeze from the fan, or see where I'm going at night when it's dark out. And it can even charge with solar panels. And this outdoor ceiling fan comes shipped to your door, ready to cool down your area as well. Inside the box, you have a solar panel, the fan blades, the remote, a hanging hook, a USB-C charging cable, your fan motor and light, and then your instructions. Setup is easy. Just slide in your fan blades until they snap into place. And then plug in your solar panel. The back will light up red, indicating that it's getting a charge. Then you can power it on, and then the fan and light quickly kicks on. It's that easy. So I brought it out to my gazebo to hang it up. First I used the hook that it came with, and it didn't give me enough clearance. So I ended up zip tying it closer to the roof to give me some more headroom, and then it was perfect. You can use the remote to adjust the fan speed up and down, and even the color temperature of the light. Then if you lose the remote, you can even power it on and cycle through the modes by clicking the button on the back. But you do have to be careful. This thing spins pretty quickly, and it'll hurt if you get hit by the blades. Speaking of, you do get a really nice breeze standing underneath this. Directly underneath it, you can feel the breeze all the way to the ground. Not a whole lot on the sides of the gazebo, but I imagine if you put this in a tent, you'd feel the breeze everywhere in there. Not to mention, the light is plenty bright. It lights up our whole gazebo perfectly, and I'm loving the breeze that this provides. Lastly, the battery on the fan can last 4 hours with the light and fan, 6 hours with just the fan, and up to 40 hours with just the light. And then if you have solar panels, it'll keep it charged up and ready to go whenever you need it. So now whether I'm grilling out and need to cool down, or see outside at night, the ceiling fan has me covered. If you're looking for an outdoor ceiling fan that's portable, provides a nice breeze, and a bright light, this fan might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go finish grilling up lunch. See ya.